Hello guys. Hi Rajat. Hi Mantosh. Hi Sayak. Hi Santosh. Hi Balaji. Students are joining. So I think we should start. If anyone wants to join, then they can join automatically. Okay. Guys, this is an AMA session with Mr. Rajat, who secured All India rank 23. And he's a gold medalist from NIT Raipur. Today he's with us and he will share some tips for gate preparation. You can ask anything from him, or if you are facing any issues, any obstacles during the preparation of gate 22. So Rajat is here to reply on for your queries. So feel free to ask anything related to gate examination, or if you are not comfortable in asking by through video, so you can just post your query in the chat section. He will read and will reply you. Rajat, please introduce yourself.
So, hello everyone. My name is Rajat Anand. I have done my BTech in biotechnology from NIT Raipur, and I have been awarded a gold medal in the Department of Biotechnology. I have secured All India rank 23 in GATE Biotechnology 2019. Currently, I am pursuing my master's at IIT Delhi. So, feel free to ask any question regarding the GATE Biotechnology preparation. Uh, you can ask in the chat, or maybe verbally you can ask.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mantosh.
Yes, sir. Sir, I passed out from BTech in biotechnology at Technical University. Sir, my question is how to prepare on engineering mathematics.
Okay, so for engineering mathematics section, you can go through the standard textbook. There is one textbook by Dr. B.S. Grewal, so you can refer to that. And for preparation of the questions for the past years of GATE, you can use other textbooks available in the market. Just engineering mathematics GATE previous year questions you will get.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any other question?
Sir, one
Mantosh,
question.
your network is not good. I think you should post your query by chat.
Hello.
Yes, Mantosh.
Okay, okay. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello. Sir,
yes.
actually, I want to take a coaching center for gate preparation, gate biotechnology preparation. Please help me.
Uh,
Hello.
Actually, coaching is not that much required. I don't know. Like, I have done self-study only, and I don't know much coaching centers. So You can prepare by yourself, just go through the books and all, and
So I have a book on Usha Meena and Pranab Kumar. Is it
yes,
helpful?
yes. It is actually, it will be
Oh.
helpful after you read the standard textbooks. It is for basically, it is for the revision purpose. So after you are cleared with all your concepts, the basic concept from the textbooks of different subjects, then only you will be easily able to understand it. Otherwise, they are very much concisely and very in short form they are written. So if you directly read it, you won't be able to get all the points and all the concepts. So better you keep it for the revision purpose.
Okay. Sir, which book I read for
Okay, so for biochemistry, you can go for biochemistry by Lehinger. And coming on to molecular biology, you can read World of Cell by Cooper, G.M. Cooper. And for genetics, there is a book by Klux and Cummings. And like there are different textbook. If you
genetics?
want, I can share
Which
the list. I will share a list with
Okay.
you. Are you in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Hello. I will share the
Yes, sir.
list of
Please
books
speak.
by different authors. You can download it from online, or if you face any problem, I will share a link also.
Okay, so but sir, Leninger books are very vast syllabus. That means 3,343 pages.
Yeah,
So
yes, but
it's not.
yes, but you have to only stick to the syllabus only. Like in biochemistry, what you have to go through is the four different biomolecules only you need to focus, and their metabolic pathways. Like there is a, I know that is a very vast book, but you only focus on the syllabus and only the structures and functions of the four biomolecules, namely carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids and nucleic acids. Only the structures of different kind of structures of these biomolecules and the different metabolic pathways in which they are involved.
Okay, but sir, most of questions are coming from biochemistry and bioprocess engineering.
Yes, yes.
So, which book you
Uh,
prefer for
for
bioprocess engineering?
bioprocess engineering, you can go for bioprocess engineering by Schuller and Kargi. And one other book is also there, Bioprocess Engineering by Pauline M. Doran. So these are the good textbook. You will find a lot of questions and along with the solutions. So these two are the very good books.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you.
Sayak Banerjee has asked, could you please tell us what should be our weekly approach if starting from today for GATE 2022?
Register.
So
Yeah, it's fine now.
So if you want to start the preparation from today, then I think you should focus more on the basic concepts of the different subjects, and along with that, make sure to practice at least one mock test every day so that you can be familiar with the pattern of the GATE exam and how the questions are there. And along with that, you have to go through the concepts also.
Should the mock test be chapter based or the full mock test?
Uh, If you start from today, then you should firstly do the topic wise test only. Just you read a topic from a textbook and then give its test so that you understand it much better. Then
And how much
after
time
that,
should we give to a particular chapter at this point of time?
you should focus more on bioprocess engineering, biochemistry, molecular biology, and recombinant DNA technology. And after that, just after you are finished with the subject, you can give subject wise test. And from December, you should start from the full length mock test.
And how will we prepare the engineering mathematics part in between?
Engineering mathematics, you need to first go through the previous year's questions to see what pattern is there. Like mostly the questions are asked from the matrices and determinant section, and also there are questions from the subject numerical methods, and also from the differential and integral calculus. So focus more on these. You can refer to the textbook by Dr. B.S. Grewal. It has everything. And one separate textbook is there for the numerical method section. So you can also, that is also by Dr. B.S. Grewal. You can refer to that. And after that, you can go through the previous year's questions. And in the GATE mock test also, you will find the engineering mathematics sections separately.
Okay.
Jadav, any question? Pooja?
And for joining the
So
WhatsApp group, you can just drop a message at the WhatsApp helpline number that is in the chat section.
could you please tell us about your journey towards the approach?
So, talking about my journey, I started the GATE preparation from my second year of BTech. So I only refer to the standard textbooks that were available in my college library. So biochemistry is my favorite subject. So I have read the Leninger and Voet and Voet. These two books I referred. So you need to, understand the basic concepts very well in order to understand the subject also, because after the GATE exam, there will be interviews in different IITs. So there they ask the basic questions. So if, only if you are clear with your basic, then only you will be able to answer them. And so I worked on my basics so that I can easily understand the subject, and I read all the standard textbooks only. I can drop a message in the WhatsApp group. You can just message in the WhatsApp number provided in the chat section, and you will be joined in the WhatsApp group. I will share one list of the standard textbooks and along with their authors. So you can also download the books online. But what I did is I used to study in the library only with the hard copy, and till the last year of my BTech, I was finished with the, like for example, till November, I was finished with everything. The revision of the basic concepts and all, like there are some things in all the subjects. For example, in biochemistry, in bioprocess engineering, the formulas are there, so you can do nothing except memorizing them. So you need to revise them frequently in order to, have a strong grip on them. So for example, the metabolic pathways in biochemistry and different structures of different biomolecules. For example, in carbohydrates, there are different disaccharides and polysaccharides. So remembering their functions and structures is very important. And in bioprocess engineering, remembering the formulas for different bioreactors, different conditions, that is also very important. So you need to just recall them every week, every month. You need to revise them, and also along with that, practice questions as much as you can on that particular subject. So in the Find My test series, there are subject wise test, topic wise test, and the full length test. So you can take benefit from them, and you can side by side give the questions after preparing a subject or a topic. So this will help you in the preparation. And from December, I what I did is I was only focusing on the full length test. Like every day I used to give one full length test by sitting 3 hours in a room silently, and just in the like it is an actual exam, I used to give the exam. So that helped me to control the stress and all. So uh, obviously your marks will be low on that, but you should not lose hope and start giving test more often. So every day I used to give one test, and relaxing is also very much important, because as soon as the exam is near, so you need to be very much relaxed. Otherwise, if you take too much stress or panic, then it will be harmful for your exam. So basically, just at the end, do not try to learn something extra or something new. Just mainly focus on the mock test. So that is what I did. I used to give one mock test every day, and then finally I appeared in the exam. Any other questions?
Uh, Hello, Baya. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Baya, like I'm completely new to this biology stream. Like I've never been to
Okay.
this biology, but I started learning all the stuff. But I'm facing a lot of difficulty in biochemical thermodynamics and all those stuff like related to biochemistry. So, what's the best source, like in YouTube or something, books like that you recommend?
Are you telling about the biochemistry or bioprocess engineering?
No, no, Bhaiya. Biochemical thermodynamics we have, right? Uh, uh, where we study about the stuff related to chemistry, thermodynamics.
Bioenergetics and metabolism, bioenergetics and thermodynamics.
Okay, okay. So if you go to the textbook of biochemistry by Leninger, you will find in the index, you will find a topic that is bioenergetics and metabolism, or bioenergetics and thermodynamic, something like that. So there it is very well. They have explained each and every concept. There you need to focus more on the numerical section. There are a lot of numericals that can be formed from that part, as eh, mostly there are questions regarding the delta G, and regarding the Nernst equation and all. So you need to first go through these formulas, and then you need to practice some questions. Like in the past, if you go through the past previous year's GATE biotechnology papers, you will find a lot of questions from this section. Like in GATE 2019, 2-3 questions came from this bioenergetics and thermodynamics.
Okay, Bhaiya. Thank you.
Rajat, something is in the chat section. Exam time management.
Okay.
I,
Just a second.
yeah, please check it out.
Whosoever has asked, can he or she ask in the verbally, because it is not showing in the chat section.
Actually, he's asking exam time management. I think he wants to know about the exam time management for GATE from October to February,
Okay.
I think.
Okay. So for the time management for the GATE biotechnology exam, I think from till November or December, you should be only reading the concepts and the formulas. Also, you should learn and revise. And from December or January, you only focus on the mock tests, either the subject wise or the full length mock test. You just give that and see what are your weak areas, so that you can go back to the subjects and revise them if you need. Otherwise, at the like from December onwards, don't there is no need to revise, there is no need to learn something new or some extra concepts or a new subject. You only revise what you have studied in this October, November, and December. Also, you can till December you can study all the subjects, uh, the exam is near only. So I will suggest you to focus only on bioprocess engineering, uh, recombinant DNA technology, biochemistry, and molecular biology. So just try to learn as much as you can and stick to the syllabus and study from the standard textbook. Uh, Memorize the structures and some metabolic pathways and the different formulas according to different situations, like in bioprocess engineering, different conditions which are there for different types of bioreactors, formulas for different parameters. You should remember them and start solving the questions. There in different books, solved numericals are there. Just go through them, then you will have an idea that how can a question be framed. So from January, you should only be focusing on the mock test. No need to learn something new or some new subject. Don't try to learn more and more. Just revise what you have studied and go to the exam with a peaceful and calm mind.
Pooja, do you have any question? And now we are going to close the session. So, any questions, guys? Sayak, anything else? Mantosh, Jadhav? Okay, I think no questions are there. You can note down the WhatsApp helpline number, which is 95099 or it has been shared in the chat. And if you want to buy the test series, you just need to register yourself on findmytest.com, and then you have to upgrade your package. If you are facing any issue while registering yourself, so you can just share your query at our WhatsApp helpline.
Sir, how much fees for register?
Yeah, it's just 1499, but right now we have a great discount. You can save up to 400 rupees. So you just need to register yourself today, and you have to buy today to save the money. Okay,
Sir,
so
it's for mock test. It's for mock test, yeah.
Yeah, it's mock tests, and it has I think how many tests, Rajat? I think 100 plus, right?
Yeah, 100 plus tests are there. There are subject wise, topic wise, as well as the full length mock tests.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. All
Okay.
the best for the GATE preparation, and I hope you will all crack the GATE examination this year. And you are free to ask anything, anytime on WhatsApp support, and Mr. Rajat or our other team will be here to solve your all the queries. Thanks for joining, and all the best once again.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.